Our next chapter began the moment we decided to prep the BuG for the paint shop. With the car stripped down and all the original parts carefully logged and boxed, my son and I found ourselves at a crossroads. What vision did we have for our restoration? Should we honor its history by restoring it to a stock, period-correct classic, or dare to transform it into a fun, custom hot rod that reflects our own style? Budget was always a concern, and every dollar mattered. We had to decide whether to invest in preserving original details or spend a bit extra on modern upgrades that promised improved performance and flair. The long-term outlook was just as crucial. Would a vintage restoration hold its value over time, or would a custom build be a more rewarding project in our eyes? We even debated the merits of media blasting the BuG's shell down to bare metal, an aggressive move that might reveal hidden corrosion and other flaws that could come back to haunt us later. And then there was the question of whether to take the body off the chassis entirely, a decision that could give us better access for repairs, but would demand extra time and care. Every question we asked was a step toward not only restoring a car, but also preserving its legacy in our own unique way. Our project was about more than just a vehicle. It was about balancing passion with practicality, learning through every decision, and ultimately creating a masterpiece that would tell our story for years to come.
Beep, beep.